Let's be honest about this. Yes, AI can build models, AI can forecast numbers, even AI can give you final valuation output, and it can do it in a matter of seconds. But is finance and valuation about typing formulas fast, quick? Is that what we are trying to do? No. The real question in finance has always been about the assumptions. What are the assumptions and why? Is the revenue going to continue to grow at this pace? Is revenue growth sustainable, or margins structurally improving, or this is a temporary spike? What happens to the ESG implications? What about the impact of macro factors like inflation, interest rate on the earnings, things like that? That's where the CFA curriculum comes in. So these are not Excel questions. These are judgment questions, right? So CFA curriculum provides a host of frameworks and concepts that get you there. It gives you the tools to think critically, right? And when you combine that knowledge with the tools like Python, various data analysis tools, and AI, then you can deliver meaningful research work that cannot be parallel just by AI alone. That's my opinion. I think that is true still, because AI has been able to do this thing for a while now, and we know the inputs, particularly when it comes to the fiduciary responsibility, the ethical decision making, which is very important, more so I would say in this world of AI, because it's the output. If you start to trust blindly, it's like a black box. We need people who can think critically, and CFA gives you the framework. But that by itself, is it enough? It's not been enough for a few years, at least now, right? So CFA curriculum, you think of it as like an operating system, but you need to use some software on top of it, right? The software as in the tools. We need to be good at Excel. We need to know how to use AI tools. We need to know how to use data science tools. And these are things that you can either get on the job or you can learn along with the CFA. That's where the practical skills module the CFA Institute has provided with financial modeling, Python, and various other software packages and data analysis is coming into the picture. So I would still say CFA is very relevant in 2026, but that by itself is not enough. So it by itself is not going to probably help you land a job, right? So sometimes people think, I am a charter holder, I should get a job. No, that's not how it is. You need to develop the conceptual framework and application and the various tools to be this complete person, and that person with CFA plus tools is extremely powerful in my opinion, and that demand for that kind of an individual is only going to go up even in 2026 and beyond. All the very best. Happy New Year. See you soon.